A popular British TV series, Loving Brits in the Sun, is currently seeking participants for its new season. The show follows the lives of British expatriates who have chosen to live a low-cost, enjoyable lifestyle in sunny destinations. Specifically, they are looking for individuals living on the Costa del Sol or Costa Blanca in Spain, who are interested in sharing their unique stories on television. Whether you love your new life in Spain, have an interesting business or career, engage in voluntary work, enjoy your retirement under the sun, own your dream home or caravan, are in the process of relocating from the UK to Spain, or simply want to share your experiences of living in the sun, this could be a great opportunity for you. Loving Brits in the Sun, which initially premiered on January 5, 2016, is a travel series that showcases the lives of various English expats in Spain. Each episode lasts for approximately 60 minutes. The production team is currently in search of participants for the show's 11th series. If you're interested in taking part, you can reach out to Sophie Hagra-Olsen via email at sophie.hagra-olsen@redsourcetv.com. Thanks for watching this video on Costa Walks. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated with all my future content. If you have any questions, then ask away in the comments. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.